video lecture prepared by N. Markandeya, MVS Government Arts and Science College, Mahbub Nagar, Department of Chemistry. So topic is adiabatic process in ideal gases, 7th paper, 6th semester. So here in adiabatic expansion of ideal gases, a process carried in a vessel whose walls are perfectly insulated so that no heat can pass through them is said to be adiabatic. So in this process is adiabatic process, a process carried in a vessel whose walls are perfectly insulated so that no heat can pass through them is said to be adiabatic process. In such a process, there is no heat exchange between system and surroundings. So in adiabatic process, there is no heat changes between system and surroundings, and in adiabatic process Q is equal to 0. In adiabatic process Q is equal to 0. So according to first law of thermodynamics, see here first law of thermodynamics, del E is equal to Q minus W, or so Q is equal to del E plus W. Q is equal to del E plus W. So in adiabatic process Q is equal to 0, therefore del E is equal to so minus W. Del E is equal to minus W. So or since the work is done at the expense or internal energy, the internal energy decreases and the temperature falls. In adiabatic process, the work done at the expense of internal energy by utilize the internal energy. The internal energy, so that internal energy decreases, and the internal energy decreases, the temperature also falls down because temperature is associated with the internal energy. If the internal energy decreases, the temperature also decreases. Okay. Next, see here, consider 1 mole of an ideal gas at pressure P and volume V. So for a infinitesimal increase in volume dV at pressure P, the work done by the gas is minus P into dV. The internal energy decreases by dE according to equation 1. According to so first law of thermodynamics, in adiabatic process del E or dE is equal to so minus W. That minus W means del E is equal to minus P into dV. Minus P into dV. See here, dE is equal to minus P into dV. By definition of molar heat capacity, by definition of molar heat capacity at constant value, so we already derived that. So according to molar heat capacity, CV is equal to dE by dt. dE by dt. From here, so dE is equal to so CV into dt. So dE is equal to CV into dt. So if we can write from second equation, second and third, this is maybe second, so this is third. So we can write dE is equal to CV into dt and minus PdV. So for an ideal gas, we know the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. That means PV is equal to RT by V. This we can P value substituted in the this equation, then it will, we have this equation CV dt is equal to minus RT into dV by V. So because we can substitute the P value RT by V in this equation, p value in this equation. So we can get Cv into dt is equal to minus RT dV by V. So we can adjust the same variation at the same place